How to fix Instagram try again later error. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix the try again later error on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, you simply have to make sure to either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app. Once you've updated Instagram, now let's say that you were trying to simply open the Instagram app and it simply says you try again later error. The very first thing to try to do is just simply restart your device. So go ahead and press the volume down or the volume up buttons depending upon your device combo and on combination. So make sure to restart the device and see if the problem persists. If not, what we will do is we will go ahead and clear the cache files of Instagram. So this process is basically fairly easy. So we'll simply open settings. Once you open settings, over here we want to look for the option called apps. As in this case, simply tap on apps, and as you tap on apps, you'll be able to see a bunch of various apps. Over here we will go ahead and then simply look for the Instagram app. So let me just go ahead and then search for Instagram and tap on it. As you tap on Instagram, again on the list of all this, go ahead and select storage. As you select storage, what you want to do is simply try to tap on clear cache, and just in case it doesn't fix it, then what I would also recommend you do is just simply try to clear your data and see if your problem persists. The other thing I would also recommend you do is just simply switch your network connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and try to switch to mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, then turn off mobile data and then switch to Wi-Fi. Hopefully one of these would have fixed the issue. Last but not the least, if this doesn't solve anything, this error is only going to last up to 24 hours or at the maximum of 2 to 3 days. You don't need to worry because Instagram is going to log in back into your account. If the Instagram app doesn't help, what I would also recommend you do is, if you have the Android device, then you could also actually use Instagram Lite. So go ahead and use the Instagram Lite version of the application and try to see if it logs into your account or not. Otherwise, if you're on iPhone, then you could simply go to the web version, which is www.instagram.com, in order to log into your account. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.